So guys, this AI update is paying massively now. The update is still new and a lot of people have not known about it. I have not withdrawn from it. As a matter of fact, I just want to register now as I'm making this video. But I've seen someone that have withdrawn from it. I have seen a live video of someone that have withdrawn from it, and that is why I am creating this video to let you guys know about the updates. Please know that this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor and I do not guarantee that you will make a specific amount of money. Your result depends on your efforts. Always make your own research, please. Now, to register on this update, come down to this place. First, it says love for music is extra income. Okay, now you come down to this place. According to what is written here, they say secure a simple remote job today. Earn additional income when you join us to build our AI-powered music sorting model. Our average users are earning a monthly reward of up to $500. Okay. Now, to get started, you come down to this place and click on Get Start Now. Okay. Also know that the network of this site is very poor. You might experience delay while registering, so have it in mind. Okay. Now put your username. Your email. With your password. Create a password, a very strong one. Register. Okay, the next thing is for you to join their community and also join their WhatsApp group. So click here to join now. The Telegram community. This one is the WhatsApp group. You can follow their channel. Then you go back. Now, fill your account details. The account number, your preferred account number. Bank name. And click on submit and start. Okay, they said we just introduced WhatsApp subgroup. Click here to join. But if you don't want to join, just click here to proceed to your dashboard. Let's proceed to dashboard. After registering, this is how the interface is going to look like. As you can see, on my balance is 2 USD. That is the reward I got as a new user. Okay, I'm not the kind of person that jump into updates because I see that others are doing it. I always make sure that the update is legit before I jump into it. So because I've seen someone that this update have paid 3 good times, that is why I registered, and that is why I'm also making a video about it. So this site is legit and it is paying. Now, how do you earn from this site? If you see from here, you will see work, you see friends, you see get help. Get help is when you have some issue in your account or when you are not able to withdraw. That is when you click on that get help to reach out to customer support. Now, friends is when you want to invite someone, you click on that to copy your link. Then work is where we'll be doing the main work, where you earn. Okay, now how do you earn from this site? You earn just by uploading music. Just go to any music site or app of your choice. Copy the link of the music that you want to upload and make sure you take note of the singer or the person that is being featured on that music. Okay, for you not to get confused, let me take you through on how to go about it. So here we are in Spotify. I'm going to pick any artist of my choice. Okay, go to his music library, pick any music that I like to upload. But before then, please, if today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to my channel. Always End TV. In this channel, I share different ways to make money from the online space, from different sites and apps. And if that is the kind of content you're interested in, do well to subscribe to my channel and on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And to my return subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I love and appreciate your support. Okay, now let's go and copy this case. Okay, I would like to upload this case music, and then I'll click on these three dots by the right hand corner, then click on this share. Okay, one thing you must take note of: the singer of that music and the title of the music. If that singer or featured anybody, also take note of the person that it is being featured on that music. Okay, now click on this copy link. Okay, click on this work. Depending on where you are, that is when you pick your region. I'm African, so I'm going to choose Africa. If you are in Africa like Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Tanzania, or any African country, South Africa, you will pick Africa. Okay. Now write the name of the artist. If the artist featured anybody, like I told you then, make sure you take note of the person that is being featured. Then you put comma, write the person's name. Okay, but if the artist did not feature anybody, there is no need of putting comma. You come down to song title, write the title of the song that you copy the link. Okay, then come down to this link, paste the link that you just copied, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, this is what will come out. For every song you submit, you'll be given 10 cents. Okay, now click on agree and continue. You have succeeded in submitting a song for AI playlist sorting. Your reward is ready as the song has been queued and submitted for verification. Now click on proceed with withdraw. Okay, reward has been added to your payback balance. Confirm reward. Now we are back to the home page. Our balance has increased from $2 to $2.40. You can see it right here. Withdrawal days in this site is 30th of every month, and the minimum withdrawal is 35 USD. Okay, no matter the amount you have in this site, you can only place a withdrawal on 30th of every month. So on 30th, I'll be making another video on how you can withdraw from this site. So if you know you have not been taking any of my updates serious and you are seriously looking for how to make money on the online space, especially this Christmas that you will need money to do so many things, then you need to jump into these updates. The good thing is that this app does not require VPN and you don't need paper to withdraw from this site. And another thing is that you don't need a referral to withdraw from this site. So what are you waiting for? Dive into this site and start making money for yourself. And this is where I will be stopping for today. If you know you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments, like this video and help me share so that it can get to more audience. Thank you for watching today's video. I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.